Afford naman talaga ng lahat, hindi lang talaga inuuna. Bilang isang financial advisor, ito ang dalawang pangunahing dahilan kung bakit marami pa rin hindi nagpapa-insure. Unang-una dyan, it's not a priority yet. People often spend on what feels urgent or pleasurable, food trips, gadgets, or even online sales. But when it comes to financial protections or emergency funds, madalas na-overlook. As advisor, we must help clients reframe insurance not an expense but as a form of disciplined savings. Pwede naman kasi nating sabihin sa kanila na kahit maliit lang na parte ng sweldo mo, pwede ka nang ma-insured. Or makakatulong ito bilang protection sa mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari sa buhay mo. At higit sa lahat, pwede mong sabihin na nagbibigay ito ng peace of mind para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. So kung tutulungan natin silang makita ang long-term impact ng small, consistent contributions, they'll start to prioritize it. At ang pangalawang dahilan, kulang pa sa tamang kaalaman. Many objections stem from misinformations. Gastos lang yan. Hindi ko naman kailangan ngayon. But the truth is, they simply have not been educated properly. They are not aware na may iba't ibang klase pala ng insurance. Meron kasing insurance na mayroong investment components, insurance na may flexible terms, at insurance na pwede mong i-withdraw later on. That's why, as advisor, must focus on educating before selling. The more clients understand, the more they value what we offer. Always lead with value. Hindi mo kailangan mangulit, basta marunong kang magpaliwanag. That's what makes a great advisor.